Bunnies Craft.
Hi guys, welcome back to another Bunnies Craft. Today we have the January vegan treat box. Without further ado, let's just get right in and open it. So we have, again, the original new little leaflet. Again, I still love these beautiful styled boxes. I think they're just gorgeous. So let's get started. The first thing we see is this massive box. They are dark chocolate mint truffle walnut whirls. They sound absolutely divine. Hadley made, vegan friendly. If you can see, this is one of the little walnuts falling off, but that's fine. But as you can, yeah, there we go. It's a little dark chocolate swirl with a walnut on top. I don't really know what's inside. If you love chocolate, you deserve the very best. Okay, I know that anyway. Wow, okay. Taking a lead towards a biodegradable future. Even better. Made in Suffolk. Yeah, okay. They look really nice. I've not had a normal, well, an ordinary walnut whirl before, so I don't actually know what's inside, but they look really good. Mint flavored truffle filling. Oh my god, I'm not too keen on walnuts on their own, but hopefully the mint will balance it out. And yeah, they just sound divine. So yeah, that is the Hadley made mint walnut well. The next thing we have again are these. I absolutely love these vegan Smarties. You literally cannot get better than that. Smarties are my childhood treat, and yeah, I was craving them for a long time. But now, as you can see, all the beautiful little colours inside this hole, they're real Smarties. Yeah, that is from the Clarana brand. I believe they are Swiss, I think. Not entirely sure, but I think they are. But yeah, vegan Smarties, thank you. Next thing are these. Again, you can't really go wrong with these. A chocolate fudge with a little bit of salt. They are perfect, really are. And they don't even taste dairy free, to be honest. But they're so Moorish, and I don't even like fudge, but recommend them. Ooh, we have another Twilight bar. If you remember, these are like the Mars bar. I think this is the Mars bar on caramel and fluffy chocolatey nougat. Yeah, so this is the Mars bar one, but they are so divine. I mean, they're a little bit skinnier than real ones, but still pretty good. Still pretty good. Again, a recommended brand that you should definitely try. So yeah, that is the Twilight bar. Next one, ooh, another crispy cornflake rice chocolate Vivani bar. Again, I love this chocolate, smooth, crispy, just beautiful. They do a few others, a white chocolate one and an orange one as well, but this one is definitely my favourite. So get your hands on one of these if you can. Really nice chocolate. What do I see here? I think you can see it too. This one right here. It's massive. Look how big this is. It is the Vigo bar, which is dark chocolate. No, it's more like a milk chocolate without the milk, with whole hazelnuts in. It's absolutely divine. It's one of the best chocolate brands out there, if I'm honest with you. This is the first chocolate I really tried when I went vegan, and it's stuck with me since the past 3 years, so it's a go-to brand, definitely if you're starting out as well, because it's quite easy to find in most health food shops. But yeah, get your hands on one of these and tell me what you think, because they are delicious, they really are. So that is the Vigo bar. Next one, we have this. An organic snowman. So this is a moo-free brand. Again, pretty good chocolate. It's soft, it's smooth, and you really wouldn't know it's not milk chocolate again. But this is obviously a Christmas one, snowman theme. These are quite widely available in a lot of supermarkets now, and again, health food shops. But they're not too expensive either. You can get big bars, and there's like an orange one, a mint one, and another one, but I can't remember. And you also get little chocolate drops. But yeah, again, pretty good chocolate brand, easy to find, and recommended. So that is the moo-free chocolate. Next we have these. Oh, okay, so these are, if you've seen before, we've had a big bag of these caramels, but these are just like the little sweet version. Obviously little cubes, I can feel them moving. And yeah, so this is the bonbon, something like that. But it's just vegan caramel, pretty good. I usually cook with these, put them in my cookies, and they're really good, really nice. Because they're a bit too hard for me to eat just on their own, so I usually put them in cookies, but amazing. Pretty good brand for a vegan caramel. So yeah, again, recommended, try it out, cook with it, that's my recommendation. It's good, it's really good. So yeah, bonbon vegan caramel. We have a few little chocolate coins in here as well. Another one here. What does this say? Ghana freedom and justice. Okay. There's some chocolate coins. Anyway, the last thing in our box is an eye chalk. We've had eye chalk before, but we have never ever had this brand. I'm impressed. So this is a super nut eye chalk vegan chocolate bar. And it's just their rice chocolate with crushed hazelnut in it. This is a nice brand as well. This has been a very good box, if I'm honest with you. All good brands, all delicious foods. But yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this one actually. It's gonna be nice. So yeah, eye chalk super nut chocolate bar. So here we are, this is all our products from the January box from Vegan Town. It's been an exceptional box this month. It's all beautiful brands. A lot of them I have tried before, but they are decent. They are really, really decent. These, the Vigo, Twilight, Crispy, like these are my favourite ones if I'm honest with you, and they're all in the same box. I'm definitely looking forward to trying the nut one and the mint walnut whirls. I've not even seen them before, let alone tasted them, so I'm very excited. But yeah, this is the box for January. Let me know what you think of this box, and if you're subscribed as well, what do you think of the products? How do they taste? If you haven't got this box, head over to Vegan Town and subscribe. They do a 3-month subscription box at a time. I'm hoping they bring back the monthly one, because why wouldn't you want the monthly one? But yeah, so go ahead and look at their website. This is not promoted, sponsored in any way. I just do it for fun, because I just want to show you guys what amazing vegan products you can get, and for a decent price as well. So I'm just going to leave it there. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and a New Year, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.